Welcome back to 2M2X, a weekly series that delivers bite-sized snippets on digital transformation sponsored by Informulate. People in the software world tend to have strong opinions on testing and test automation. There are those who want 100% unit test coverage, others that rely on solely manual QA, some that swear by automation of functional testing, and yet others that believe developers should be the only ones doing all the testing. So what is a leader to do? Well, let's start with the common ground. At the very least, you need to have a test plan. Without a test plan, you're basically doing ad hoc testing, and with normal employee turnover, will never achieve consistent quality. Your team can decide whether they want developers to test each other's work or whether you prefer specialized QA resources. Either way, you need to keep your test plans updated with the current acceptance criteria for your feature set. Next, when it comes to test automation, that goes hand in hand with automated deployments and having dedicated environments in which to test. Even if your team is not quite ready to have continuous deployments going straight to production, you could still have continuous deployments going to the QA environment and being validated there before being intentionally promoted to production. The next controversial question is how much test automation is appropriate. At Informulate, we take a pragmatic view and want to make sure that our clients get the most bang for their buck when it comes to test automation. Now, unit tests can provide great return on investment, but there is a depreciating return on it. Unit testing is definitely worth it when applied to algorithmic functions and API interfaces. But functional testing is much better suited for front door UI functionality such as login, dashboards, and high-frequency use cases. Again, there is a depreciating return for automation here, but if you go too far, you might end up having to redo tests every time minor UI enhancements happen. On manual testing, remember that a less expensive but skilled QA resource will usually have the time and specialization to truly explore ways to break a feature, which is how you achieve better than average quality. Hope that helps your decision making on automation, and I will see you next week.